upload YouTube video from iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to upload YouTube video from iPad. So for that, all you have to do, you just need to get the YouTube Studio application in your iPad, and once you have the and just simply log into your account with the email address or from the particular channel from which you want to upload the YouTube video. And after that, just simply click on this plus icon from the top right corner, and from there you just simply have to select the video that you would want to upload. I have selected mine. And once you are there, you need to simply click on upload from here. And as you can see that your YouTube video has uploaded on your channel successfully. This will take some time to complete the upload process. And after that, you can go ahead and, write the title and other things. Just go to the content section from the bottom of the screen. And over here, once your video is uploaded, you need to click on this three dot icon from the video itself and click on edit. And after that, you will have all the options to write description, visibility, and audience, location, title, etc. And once everything is done, just simply click on save the changes. And yeah, your YouTube video will get uploaded. So this is basically how you will be able to upload YouTube video from iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.